Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I'm here to do my mini money binder this week. I can't believe the weeks have just gone by that quick. So we're back to mini money binder, but it's busted. The magnet is all the way here, and I tried to bring it down with my magnets here. It's not happening. These ones are really strong ones, and see, it's connecting there. I tried to drag it down, but it's not budging. Not budging. Okay, it's coming. So I have been working on it, hoping that, there we go, it's coming down. It's coming down slowly but surely, because I don't know why. Look at that, there we go. I've dragged it down. Let's see how long that's gonna last, because I was going to change it over to this temporary binder, because I'm nearly finished with the mini money binder. It's nearly finished, but anyway, I'm gonna get on with it. I've got £140 here. Let's just count it up quickly. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40. I went to the post office to cash out £280 because it's like I'm falling behind every week. I'm falling behind. So in order for me to catch up, I wanted to withdraw £280 so that I can do two sets of savings challenges today. But unfortunately, postmaster did not have any money in the post office. She said she's got £20 left. She can give me £140, but the only thing she can give me is £20 extra. She's got no more money. The cash machine has broken down, and everyone was coming into the post office for cash back, so, and to withdraw money. So that's my luck anyway. Last week I did the first week of May. This is the second week of May, which is the 10th. Yeah, so I've done the 3rd. This is the 10th, so I've got the 17th to catch up with, plus the 24th, Friday coming. But anyway, we'll hit that bridge when we get to it. I'm happy that the magnet dragged itself back over. Gosh, don't know how come it moved all the way there, but the glue obviously has come loose. Right, let me start with these now. Again, I haven't got the felt tips. Actually, I'll just leave it here instead of stretching over, constantly stretching over. Right, and let me start with this binder, the mini one. Let's see what we've got left. So we've got the Woodland Wonder, and they're all £5. So let's see what we've got left. We've got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, £35 in the Woodland Wonder. I am going to do £5 today with that. It's taking its sweet time, but I'm not worried. I'm not bothered. I'm not bothered. And then we've got the fruit salad. I'm going to do £5 for the fruit salad today, because I've got some bigger ones that I want to, I'm trying to finish up. And then the Adventure Awaits, that's been completed. The Sweet Treats has been completed. sunflower savings. Let's do so we've got 5, 10, 13, 15 there. Let's finish this up with the 15. That's 5, 10, 13, 15. So we've got that completed. I was really looking forward to doing 2 sets of savings challenges because I'm feeling really bad now, fallen behind. Okay, so that's done. And these are all done, so I've got them clipped down. So what have we got now to do? 1, 2. I've only got 2 more. Fruit salad and woodland wonder. That's good. Oh, I'm happy with that. So we've done that. Yep. And all the money goes into one wallet. If I can manage to come back and finish what's in here or do some more, then I will. Right, my Rubik cube, I really like that Rubik cube. Let me do purple. That's £5 each block, so I'm doing 2. That's £10. Okay, let's leave that there for the minute. So I don't want this. Let's put this here. Right, we've still got a bit of a way for the Rubik cube. Let's have a look and see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 pounds, something like that. We'll see. Okay, and this one saved £200, and I usually just quickly mark one letter, which is £10. That's £10 for that. And then I've got the tree menders, the leaf of faith. I've done all the 10s. There's no more 15s, so I'm on the 20s now. So £20 for leaf of faith. Let's do a big one here. See, these are the big ticket ones that I want to work on. And that's will save me £400. Right, and then we've got the owl is finished. I'll be saving is finished. Wow. That's brilliant. That's finished. That's completed. I'm leaving all the envelopes that I've completed in so far because I don't want to get confused with what I need to take out. So let's go back to this. Let's see what we've got here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 75. Let's get the woodlands. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Let's do this one and get that out of the way. Yeah, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. That's completed. Okay, what did I say? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Did I say 30 or 35? I'm going to put 35, but then I'll take it back once I've looked at the video. I can't remember now. I think we went 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, I think. All right, and then let's see what else we've got. The fruit salad. So that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Hang on a minute, can complete this today, I think. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Yep, we will do that today. So that's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Great. All done. Okay, that's 35, so I've got £5 left. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Right, I think it's completed now. Completed. Actually, what is this? This one isn't coloured in. That's not coloured in. I'm going to put this extra £5 because this one's not coloured in, and I don't know why. It should have been if it's completed. You see? Alright. It's all savings at the ending of the day, so everything is done in here and I'm happy. That's done, finished. So I've just got to concentrate on those ones in there. Look at all this money, all this largesse, yeah. Okay. So the mini booklet, I want to see how much the mini booklet has, the mini binder has got me to save. Let's see what this brought me. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 300. $10, $20, $30, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80, $90, £405. Now I don't think this £5 is, I think I may have just missed colouring in this, or I put an extra £5 in here, so I'm going to take that back out and just round it up to £400. round it up to £400, and guess where this money's going? Oh, you'll never guess. Because I want to add it to my save 2024 in 2024, because I really would like to redo it. I'd like to do it again for this year. Right, I'm happy with that. The rollover, that can go into rollover, because I don't know where that £5 came from, but I'm happy to save £400 there. Put the rollover. I checked my lottery tickets today when I went to the post office to withdraw the £140, and I won £30. Also, I've got some side hustle money that I need to sort out. I don't know if it's going to go to my sinking funds or just help me along with my savings challenges. I'm not sure right now, but in the meantime, I really want to catch up with the weeks that I'm behind with. So she said to come back, the postmaster said to come back on Friday, and Friday then I could just take out, I will be up to date. Friday, if I get that money out, I can do 2 sets of savings challenges, and then I'll be up to date with that. Anyway, I hope I didn't bore you, but I just want to be accountable for my money, and I want you to be the witnesses to it, making sure that I'm not squandering my money and I'm behaving myself. Anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves, and see you back really soon. Bye for now.